Welcome to this money meditation session. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale very slowly. Let go of any tension or stress you may be feeling. Begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply, counting to 4, and exhale slowly, counting to 5. Let each breath relax you further, releasing any worries or concerns about money. Imagine yourself surrounded by a warm golden light. This light represents abundance and prosperity. Feel it enveloping you, making you feel safe and secure. Now, visualize your financial goals. See them clearly in your mind's eye. Whether it's paying off debt, saving money for a dream vacation, or achieving financial independence, picture yourself accomplishing these goals. Imagine the joy and freedom that financial abundance brings. Feel the positive emotions associated with achieving your financial dreams. Repeat after me. I am open to receiving wealth and abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am in control of my finances and make wise financial decisions. I release any fear or doubt about money and welcome prosperity into my life. I am open to receiving wealth and abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am in control of my finances and make wise financial decisions. I release any fear or doubt about money and welcome prosperity into my life. I am open to receiving wealth and abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am in control of my finances and make wise financial decisions. I release any fear or doubt about money and welcome prosperity into my life. Think about the money you currently have and the financial blessings in your life. Express gratitude for them. Gratitude opens the door to receiving more abundance. As we conclude this money meditation, know that you have the power to manifest financial abundance in your life. Keep this positive energy with you throughout your day and watch as the universe responds to your intentions. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment. Carry this sense of abundance with you. Thank you for joining this money meditation. May prosperity flow into your life abundantly. Please like and subscribe for more guided meditations like this one. I will see you here again tomorrow. Have a blessed and prosperous day.